The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 in its normal form as well as the Watch 6 Classic, an innovative take on an old favorite, are ready to once again rock the wearable world. The two gadgets' appearance and feel vary most noticeably from one another. The most important consideration when picking between the two watches is probably price. The Classic's case is 3mm larger than that of its Watch 6 rivals, but it will also feel considerably heavier on your wrist due to a material difference as well as the size difference. A Watch 6 Classic has a stainless steel case as opposed to a Watch 6 Standard, which has an aluminum case. In contrast to the Watch 6, which resembles a contemporary generic smartwatch or fitness tracker, it provides the Watch 6 Classic a more conventional appearance and feel. The rotating bezel, a fan-favorite feature that was omitted from the Watch 5 collection last year, is the second significant change to the classic Watch 6 design. If the tactile rotating bezel is anything like it was on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, it will feel great to use to navigate menus. A rotating bezel may not be included on the non-classic Watch 6. Finally, even if the case sizes change, the screens do not. On their smaller models, the Watch 6 and 6 Classic, which measure 40 and 43mm, respectively, both feature a 1.3-inch AMOLED display with a 432 by 432 resolution. The bigger watches, which measure 44mm and 47mm, each have a 1.5-inch AMOLED display with a 480 by 480 screen resolution. There is an always-on display that is shielded by a sapphire crystal lens in every model, regardless of size. It should be noted that both the 40mm Watch 6 and the 43mm Watch 6 Classic are fitted with 300 mAh batteries, therefore the battery life of the Watch 6 models with comparable sizes stays constant. Despite the size differences, Samsung has rated all the Galaxy Watch 6 models for the same amount of battery life, which maxes out at 40 hours without the always-on display running. If you could keep that feature enabled, you're looking at about 30 hours. The 44mm Watch 6 and the 47mm Watch 6 Classic come with slightly higher capacity 425 mAh batteries. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.